Hey, good morning, everybody. I already had to tell my kids to not eat popsicles in the chicken coop, and it's not quite 8 o'clock, so my day's off to a good start. Anyway, this week is going to be a little bit different with regard to the summative for the unit. So I want to go over that. But before we do that, let's just review the correct answers on the quiz from last week. Number one, suffrage is the right to vote. B, right, not suffering, even though it doesn't sound like a pleasant word. Jumping over to number two, Seneca Falls Convention, 1848. Number three, that would be Elizabeth Cady Stanton, D. Number four, why were many who supported ending slavery also people who supported advancing women's rights? So the answer there is something along the lines of, you could have various different responses, but that it makes sense to support the rights of everyone, right? The type of person who favors expanding rights for one person is going to be the type of person to favor expanding rights for other people, right? The saying goes, a rising tide lifts all boats. Number five, that would be the Inuit. The Cherokee, Choctaw, Creek joined the Chickasaw and Seminole as the five civilized tribes. Number six, the Indian Removal Act. Oklahoma was the destination of. Number seven, the Trail of Tears. All right, now let's jump over to the week. So the summative that I'm going to give you on Wednesday, you're going to have Wednesday, Thursday to work on it, as well as Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then Monday as well. So it is a little bit different, but I think it's going to be something that hopefully you'll do well on. So Monday and Tuesdays, that's where we are right now. So if you don't do it today, you can do it tomorrow. Number one is to review the unit vocabulary. Okay, so that is all located right here. If you choose to fill in the column to the right with words or phrases that you think will help you, then by all means do that. It is not an assignment that needs to be done, however. So if you want to leave it as it is and just take a look at those words, fine. If you want to write in things, if you need to email me questions or leave comments on the Google Classroom page, then by all means do so. All right, so for Monday and Tuesday, review unit vocabulary. That's step one. Number two, watch a class-divided video. Now, it is kind of long. It's 53 minutes. It's actually from a 1985 showing of a PBS show called Frontline. And, well, it's relatively self-explanatory once you keep watching. It is a woman, Jane Elliott, Mrs. Elliott, who tries to teach her students in 1970 about discrimination, and the innovative way in which she does that. And then the third part, it's not 53 minutes long. It's actually closer to 24 minutes. I tried to sort of make it so you could watch the video with my commentary. However, the audio from YouTube wasn't loud enough to be picked up by Screencastify. I don't know if there's a way to do that, and there might be some copyright infringement there. But what I did was, you can see the video, and I jump around to certain points that I thought were worth examining a little bit closer. So once you watch the video the first time, if you then watch my talking points, it should make sense to you. And that because on the test, which I will give you on Wednesday, there's going to be two sections. Section one is going to be similar to what you've seen many times before, a lot of multiple choice questions. And section number two is going to have some extended response questions. Now, you'll have a choice. There'll be a lot of questions. You don't have to answer all of them, but they will tie into both the unit and then a class divided video. All right, so just for today and tomorrow, focus on these things, and then I will present the test to you on Wednesday. All right, hopefully that is clear. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to contact me.